Today, we're teaching you how to make the expensive gelato ice cream from your own kitchen. Every great gelato begins with patience. Milk and cream meet gentle heat, slowly waking up. Not boiling, not rushing, just warming, preparing for something beautiful. Golden yolks and sugar, at first separate, stubborn, but with steady movement they transform. Pale, creamy, smooth. This is where texture begins. Now comes the delicate moment. A slow stream of warmth, meeting fragile eggs. Too fast and it's ruined. Just right and it becomes silk. Stirring, patiently. Watching the liquid thicken. Waiting for the moment when it coats the spoon and holds its shape. This is the heart of gelato. A touch of vanilla. Simple, yet powerful. The aroma rises. The kitchen changes. Now it doesn't just look good. It smells unforgettable. Heat has done its work. Now, we let time do the rest. Cooling slowly, deepening flavor, building anticipation. Movement brings it to life. Turning, folding, thickening. Air is gently woven in, not too much, just enough to make it smooth yet beautifully dense. The final freeze. Quiet, still. As texture sets and flavor settles, perfection doesn't rush. And then the reward. A spoon glides through effortlessly. Dense, silky, rich. This is not ordinary ice cream. This is gelato. Like, comment, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this.